Artists are kind and they follow expectations. Artists show their teachers that they are ready. Artists are kind because they show that they're ready.
Okay.
Hey Bryson, check out my artwork. Where'd you do that? How did you do that? Where'd you get that from? How Doris, you made it. You did a lot of coloring. Artists use kind words. Doris, what should I do with my artwork? Huh? You can use more colors. I think you're right. Thanks, Darius. Oops, I messed up.
Now today we're going to be using centers. Let's go over some expectations for center. It's really important that we use kind words, that we share, and that we are working on task. If I see that you are not ready for centers, you may have to sit out and watch because you may need to be listening and watching others use their center time so that you can learn how to follow centers yourself. The first center is the red center, which is the reading center. So here is the library center. So notice I'm looking at the books, I'm holding them very gently. You don't have to read the words. If you just want to look at the pictures, that's fine. There are plenty of books for you to choose from. Once you are done with the book, make sure you kindly put it back so that someone else can use it. Over here is the orange station, where you can build a castle. Here, you can build a castle. You're working together with your partners to build one castle together. Please share these blocks. It's important that you don't throw them, that we are kind when we're using them, because remember, we're working together. You can build any type of castle that you want. Please have fun, use kind words. You don't have to build a castle that you would normally see. Maybe you can make up your own castle. Make sure that you're keeping them on the rug. We don't need to be working on the tile. We're going to work on the soft rug, sitting quietly. So here I'm building mine. Once it is time for us to go, you need to quietly put the blocks back into the tub to show me that you're ready for the next station. Now we're moving on to the yellow station. So over here, we're doing whiteboards. So you'll need a marker, eraser, and a whiteboard. So what we're gonna be doing is you're gonna be practicing your numbers. So I'm gonna go ahead and write a number. I might do the number 8, but let's think like an artist. Think to yourself what this 8 could be. Maybe I'll make this 8 into a butterfly. It's up to you. I want you to make your numbers into a drawing. Once it's time for us to switch stations, make sure that you erase your entire whiteboard and then put your marker and eraser on top so the next person can use it. I want you to notice that we are using the green arrows to find our next station. So I've already gone to yellow, so now I'm going to follow the green arrows, and now I'm going to be at the green station. At the green station, we're using an app called Pottery. What you're gonna do is you're gonna press the word create, and then you can create your own pot. So you can touch different buttons, and then when you're all ready, just press ready, and then it'll give you some more options. Just play around with this app. Over here at the blue station, you're gonna take one of these colorful pieces of paper. Notice it has all these shapes. What your job is to do is to look through this bucket, find those shapes, and put them where you think that they need to go. It can be pretty tricky, so it's finding all those different shapes, but once you are done, once you have filled it all up, I want you to make sure that you put everything back in the bucket, especially when we're transitioning to the next station. So now it's time for us to move from the blue station all the way around. And now, since I'm following the green arrows, I will arrive at the purple station. Over here, each person's gonna have one tub of Play-Doh and then also a little sheet that has different letters on it. Here's what your job is to do. You're going to open up the Play-Doh, so you'll have to use your hands, you'll have to stick your fingers in hard, I can't help you with this. Take a little bit out. And you're gonna go and start with any letter you want. Maybe I wanna do B. So you're gonna have to take the little Play-Doh, roll it out, and then you're gonna have to pull it and pinch it until it makes the letter B, or whatever letter that you choose to do. You don't have to do B the first time, but maybe I wanted to try B. So I'm gonna go ahead and move my Play-Doh and try my best to make that letter. You may have to roll it out a few times to get it the way you want it to look. So there I have the letter B. I may wanna do the letter C now. So I will roll it out, use a little bit more Play-Doh, and make the letter C. Once it's time for us to go, make sure you put the Play-Doh back into the cup, put the lid on top, and show me that you're ready. When it's time to move to the next station, I will let you know. It's your job to quickly clean up your area and then also give me a thumbs up in the air so that I know that you are ready. Once everyone has a thumbs up in the air, then I'll allow you to go to the next station. We have 5 minutes at every station and only 4 people per group. So you should only have 3 friends with you, 4 people total. So let's have an awesome day. Let's continue to work on our centers.